Hello guys, I hope you're doing great today, and on this video I'm going to go through how to create a Veme. Now this is for the videos that you shoot horizontally, okay? So first thing that you have to do is to download the app Inshot. Once you download it, you open it. It works for a lot of different stuff, but now we're just going through how to create a Veme. Go to the video option, choose your video, go to canvas. You know the options that you have here in the bottom. Go to canvas, choose fit. Now the white spaces on top and the bottom appear. This is because it's creating a 1:1 ratio, which is the square for Instagram, right? So when you shoot your video horizontally and you make it go through this ratio or make it square, instead of making the zoom, is adding these white spaces. It's white right now, but then you can change the color. Hit the check mark on the corner, go to background, and you can change the color right here. You can choose a lot of different options that they have, or you can choose an image too. You go to the image option, you can any of your image on your gallery, you can choose it, or you can choose this cool option right here. But for now, I'm just going to choose a color. I'm going for this gray, dark gray. And to add the text, go to the text option, and you can type anything you want. Choose the color too. It has a little different fonts option list. It's not a lot, but it works. Anything you want to add, you can place it wherever you want. You can rotate it, make it bigger, make it smaller, and it has this cool thing that helps you make it even or make it really straight with everything. So you can place it wherever you want. If you don't like it, you can just remove it, and you can add another one by hitting this T with the plus and just type whatever you want. You can type, I'm gonna type thank you, and I'm gonna change the color. I don't like that color. Let's go to, I'm just gonna go white. Okay, I'm gonna add another one. Thank you for watching. Okay, now when you're ready, you can choose the length and when it starts and when it ends. Then go to the check mark when you're ready, and if you want to add something else, you can add stickers. It's all these animated things. They're pretty cool. Once you choose it, it doesn't appear like animated in here, but once you're ready, it's going to animate it. It has a lot of options. It has the emojis and little more. You can go through it if you want. But for now, let's go to this. Let's say that we're ready. Go to save, choose the quality of your video. I'm gonna choose 1080p. It's going to appear an ad right here. You can remove it, but that's it. Simply is going to save it to your phone, then you can share it and do anything you want with it. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helped you. If you have more questions or you have anything else that you want to know about digital marketing, let me know. I'll be happy to help you.